It is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is commission, which is a payment that is made directly to a real estate broker for the services that they provide during a real estate transaction. On average, commissions are 4 to 6% of the purchase price, but they can also be a flat fee. It really just depends on what the agent and the client negotiate. Now, speaking of negotiations, commissions are always negotiable. There's no flat rate that it has to be every time. There's no uniform number that we all go by. So whatever you want to negotiate is fair. And if you run into a situation where your agent is telling you that the commission has to be a certain amount, that's actually illegal, and you should seek legal counsel in regard to that. Commissions are split between multiple people in a transaction. You've got your buyer's broker, your seller's broker, then you've got your buyer's agent and your seller's agent. There are, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sometimes that get this split. So that is one thing to know as well when you're negotiating the commission rate. It's going to be harder for your agent to bring in qualified buyers if the buyer's agent knows that their commission split is only 1%, versus a deal where the commission split is 2.5 or 3%. It makes a huge difference because, bring me to my last point, your agent's not paid until closing day. Commissions are not paid until the seller transfers ownership of the property to the buyer. So what that means is, if there's a frustrating situation that arises, if your agent can't answer your call or text or email right away, just lead with grace and understanding, because we're honestly probably either working really hard for you behind the scenes or giving someone else the same level of service that we are giving you. So that's commission. If there are any questions on that, please reach out to me, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day, and we will see you next Tuesday.